Welcome to China Connect. We're your laugh-out-loud passport to China's best. Explore and let's discover China now, with a giggle. Today we have something truly exciting to share with you. We'll be diving into the world of the father of the giant rubber duck at Shanghai's first exhibition by Dutch artist Florentijn Hofman. This comprehensive and immersive experience is truly one of a kind, so buckle up, folks, because this is going to be an epic journey you won't want to miss. Just to give you an idea of what's in store, Hofman's new exhibition, titled Gather Joy, Share Happiness, explores the theme of joy and celebration through over 25 new works of art that range from large-scale sculptures to interactive installations. The exhibition invites audiences to gather joyfully and experience a world filled with victory, joy, and nostalgia, all while engaging with thought-provoking themes and ideas. We'll begin our tour with the mesmerizing work called Confetti Man, a figure covered from head to toe in massive colored confetti. Hofman uses this thought-provoking sculpture to prompt us to think about the complexity of celebratory events, their consequences, and what it truly means to celebrate. The sculpture raises questions about the hidden emotions and stories that lie beneath our expressions of joy and celebration, urging us to delve deeper into the nature of happiness itself. As you journey through the arched moon-shaped doorway, you'll find yourself in the presence of Hofman's newly created sculpture, Playing Together, a 20-meter-tall giant cat and mouse made up of hundreds of thousands of balloons. The artist invites viewers to enter his imaginative world, demonstrating the role of art in arousing joy and connecting human emotions. Through this enormous piece, Hofman emphasizes the importance of playfulness, shared experiences, and the power of community in contributing to our overall happiness. In another exhibition hall, you'll find the plush sculptures of Fat Rat, Fat Cat, and Fat Panda, forming a joyful life. These adorable works also challenge us to rethink contemporary human protection of animals and the environments we create for them. The sculptures raise questions about our impact on animals' lives, their well-being, and whether our efforts to protect them are truly in their best interests or merely a reflection of our own desires. One of the highlights of the exhibition is the first-time collaboration between Hofman and famous pop singer and music composer Li Yuchen, resulting in an art project called Raised It Since It Was an Egg. This unique work tells the story of an escaped ostrich, and Li Yuchen's song about the ostrich brings the collaboration to life. The piece raises questions about freedom, confinement, and the impact of our actions on other living beings, inviting us to consider the ways in which we interact with the world around us. You'll also be fascinated by the Shop Till You Drop section, where Hofman showcases monkeys, squirrels, and cobras engaging in human-like shopping habits. This series of works aims to make us re-examine our own behaviors and the things we truly value. Are we really so different from these animals, or do we share more in common than we think? By placing animals in a human context, Hofman encourages us to reflect on our consumerist culture and the impact it has on our lives and the environment. And of course, what would a Florentijn Hofman exhibition be without the iconic, giant rubber duck? This exhibition pays homage to the beloved duck, inviting audiences to actively participate and become part of the art experience. The duck has become a symbol of joy and playfulness, and it's impossible not to feel a sense of happiness in its presence. Visitors are encouraged to interact with the duck, take photographs, and share their experiences, fostering a sense of community and togetherness. Throughout the exhibition, you'll find numerous other works that will captivate your attention and make you think about the role of joy and celebration in our lives. From sculptures that encourage reflection on our relationships with animals to interactive installations that invite audience participation, this exhibition will leave you with a lasting impression and a renewed appreciation for the power of art to bring people together and inspire meaningful conversations. In addition to the works mentioned above, you'll encounter a variety of installations and sculptures that further explore themes of joy, celebration, and human connection. Some pieces delve into the role of technology in our lives and its impact on our happiness, while others challenge us to consider the ways in which our actions shape the world around us. Each work is as thought-provoking as it is visually captivating, ensuring that visitors will leave the exhibition with plenty to ponder. So there you have it, my friends. The Father of the Giant Rubber Duck exhibition is a must-see event that's guaranteed to bring joy and happiness to everyone who visits. If you're in Shanghai, don't miss out on this extraordinary experience. Before we wrap up, it's worth mentioning that this exhibition not only showcases Hofman's creative genius but also serves as a testament to the power of art in transforming public spaces and fostering connections between people from all walks of life. The artist's whimsical and imaginative style has a unique ability to resonate with audiences young and old, proving that art has the potential to transcend cultural and linguistic barriers and unite people through shared experiences and emotions. So, if you find yourself in Shanghai, be sure to carve out some time to explore this one-of-a-kind exhibition. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a fan of Florentijn Hofman, or simply looking for a memorable and uplifting experience, gather joy. Share happiness, promises to deliver. It's an event that will leave you feeling inspired, connected, and perhaps even a little more joyful. That's all for now, my friends. I hope you've enjoyed this sneak peek into the world of Florentijn Hofman and his incredible exhibition in Shanghai. Remember to stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop seeking out the beauty and wonder that the world of art has to offer. Thanks for exploring China with us. Hit like, comment, and share for laughs. Subscribe and drop your thoughts below. Let's keep showcasing this amazing nation. See you in the next funny video.